How is it possible, eh? Vroom vroom time. To a pull 5,000 to 6,500 RPMs. 383 cubic inch, built for a single 88 turbo. Everything looks good so far, no leaks, no nothing. 557 is still climbing. It wants to go more higher in the RPM. Makes sense with the camshaft that it has. Everything looks good. No leaks here. We have no leaks there. Everything is looking good. Did a little porting on the cylinder heads. They're old AFR 220s, and I'm gonna keep on doing some pulls. We're gonna do another pull. We're from 48 to 65 before. We did 491 torque, 557 horsepower. Now we're gonna do 5,000 to 7,000. .555, 554, 503 torque. Good, now we're gonna take out the valve covers and check the valve lash. So we're ready to do another pass. We'll just check the lash, everything is good at 018. Intake, exhaust. We added another spacer. It's probably gonna be the last pull. This engine wrong with the turbo. We just want to make sure everything is good, no leaks. And let's see if he gains a little more. I'm just going to take a video of the idle. The dyno headers have an exhaust leak. $5,000 to $7,000. And that's gonna be the last pull. I'm sure we gained some. I saw 560 or something like that. 560, yeah, 560 and 512 torque. All pressure is good, everything is good. Another perfect job. That's it, that's all.